Hello there. If you have plastic items that has been out of shape, like in this case, a lawnmower's uh, air filter cover, which is out of shape and it won't stay put. This is bent out of shape so that it won't latch on. It just comes off as you use it. It just comes off, um, and as you can see, uh, tape was used to hold it. You can see traces of taping there. But anyhow, you can use heat to bend it back, and I'll show you how. Right. So what you would do is get a heat gun like this, and it would help if you have a nozzle reducer like this to direct the heat. And heat it up until you see a sheen, which indicates that the plastic has become soft and malleable. And make sure to move the nozzle around to spread the heat evenly over the intended surface. You can use wood or metal object of appropriate shape and size to shape it. Now in this case, I used a Phillips screwdriver to press on it to bend it back to the original angle. And that's all to it. Please subscribe, like and share. And until the next time, have a wonderful day everyone.